Live outside the Palm Beach County Courthouse, where we are continuing our coverage of the DUI manslaughter trial of polo mogul John Goodman. Today, a bombshell and a surprise. John Goodman himself took the stand for 2.5 hours. It was gripping testimony by the prosecution and the defense, grilling him on his account, what happened on that fatal night in 2010. I want to welcome in News Channel 5 legal analyst and local criminal defense attorney Michelle Suskauer. I want to pull back, because we've been so focused on what John Goodman said today. Pull back. This was a surprise in general to have John Goodman testify.
Sure it is. You know, we normally don't see defendants taking the stand in their own defense. Normally the state has to prove their case, and as criminal defense lawyers, we don't really put our clients on the stand. But obviously in this particular case, Roy Black and the team thought that they were going to get a lot out of John Goodman, and that he really was necessary to tie all of the pieces of their defense together.
And there are a lot of pieces here. The fact that he suffered a concussion, the Bentley malfunction, and that he became intoxicated after the crash. Did he do a good job of corroborating those facts? Those claims, I should say.
Well, you know, it's questionable, but I believe that he did better for the defense than not testifying at all. Because what we did was we heard him today. We didn't just hear the 911 call. That could have been the only statement that the jury heard from him that night. What we heard was his statements today and the way he sounded and what he said. His confusion today was very similar to his confusion the night of the crash. So that did corroborate it. Certainly he went through his bar bill, what he claims he did not drink, and about his head injury and what he claims that he does not remember. So it really is going to be a question as to what this jury believes as to whether they feel John Goodman was credible. I thought he did okay.
Michelle Suskauer breaking down our coverage today. Michelle, thank you very much. Well, a powerful day today only leads to a powerful day tomorrow. A few rebuttal witnesses by the prosecution, and the jury could be charged by lunchtime tomorrow. We'll continue our coverage, of course, from the Palm Beach County Courthouse as this DUI manslaughter trial continues. Kelly, back to you in the studio.